The avatars of goddess Durga are revered to as Navadurga and are individually celebrated on the 9 nights and 10 days of Navaratri. Her 9 forms are Shailaputri, or the absolute form of Mother Nature, Brahmacharini, or the form of knowledge, Chandraghata, or the form of wife, Khushmanda, the form of good health and wealth, Skandamata, the form of a warrior, Katyayani, the form of divine anger and vengeance, Kalratri, the form of death, Mahagauri, the goddess of purity and cleanliness, and finally Shriti Dhatri or Adi Parashakti, the mother goddess. They are all worshipped during the 9 days in this exact order. Now we shall dwell on the history of worshipping Durga and the goddess's depiction throughout the ages. The first known sculpture of Durga was found by archaeologists a couple of years ago and now is kept in a museum in Mathura. It is dated back anywhere between the 1st and 2nd century. It depicts a deity riding a lion and killing a buffalo, whom we can presume to be Ma Durga and Mahishasur respectively. However, the most surprising aspect is that the goddess was depicted to have only 4 hands. Similarly, such unique depictions were found in the Ellora caves, Mahabalipuram and Ajanta caves. One of the stone engravings showed Ma Durga standing over a buffalo and another showed the goddess chasing away the buffalo. The number of hands has shown to differ, ranging anywhere from 4 to 16. Academics debate the reasons as to why these differences are found in the early sculptures and statues of Ma Durga, but so far no conclusive evidence has been found. The earliest records of Ma Durga being worshipped in Bengal date back to the 16th century. Durga's popularity would take quite a bit of time to take off, with the population of Bengal being mostly Krishna Bhakts. The first temple for Ma Durga would come a century later. The early days of Durga Puja consisted mainly of rituals conducted by rich zamindars and were largely private affairs. Community pujas were absent. The community Durga Puja or Barovari Puja is credited to the 12 friends of Guptipara. The story goes that these friends were stopped from entering and taking part in household pujas of the ruling Sen family. This led to these friends forming and organizing a club of their own. The year of its foundation has been disputed but is considered to be between 1760 to 1790. The puja took place at Bindyabasini temple. Over the years, several accounts have been given of grand community celebrations of the Tagore family and Raja Navakrishna Dev in Shobha Bazar were truly grand celebrations. The latter still happening to this day and attracting thousands of tourists. Back in its day, the Shobha Bazar Puja was known for its extravagance and pomp, with real gold adorning the idol or the pratima. In 1926, Manik Dala organized the first Sarvajanin or a universal puja that is open to all. Today, the cultural, political and economic significance of this festival has reached new heights. Last year, the Indian government nominated Kolkata's Durga Puja for the 2020 UNESCO Representatives List for the Intangible Culture of Humanity. Outside West Bengal, Durga Puja is celebrated with equal fervor among the sizable Bengali community both in India and abroad. In Delhi, the largest and one of the oldest pujas is the Chittaranjan Park Puja. Outside India, Bengali expats celebrate Durga Puja around the world in countries like the USA, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Germany, Hong Kong, and so on.